So today I'm going to show you how to play Good Job by Alicia Keys, and I'm going to do it in her original key, and we're just going to be playing the chords. The chords are A flat, E flat. We're playing in a second inversion, which means our B flat's on the bottom, our E flat's in the middle, and our G is on top. And then F minor, and then D flat major 7, and those are our basic chords. So here's what it sounds like. Three C's in between each chord. So our bass notes, A flat is an octave. So we're playing the middle key of the three black keys, one here and one down here. A flat, then we go to E flat, the top of the two there, then up to F, and then down to D flat. Let's do that again. A flat, E flat, F, and D flat. Now you don't have to do the full octave. You can just do A flat, E flat, F, and D flat. It doesn't change it too much. Our right hand, we're going to start off with C and E flat. That's the other half of the A flat chord. So A flat, C, E flat. So left hand's taking the A flat. And we're going to play that chord once and then 3 C's after that. Okay? We're going to keep this E flat. We're going to put our G down with our pinky. And we're going to go to the B flat here. And then play the E flat down here. Okay? If you want the octave, down, all right? So, A flat, 3 C's, then E flat, 3 C's. Let's do that again. A flat, 3 C's, E flat, 3 C's. Okay? Now, she does a little turnaround here. She goes down, uses this passing tone. So she goes from the C down to the B flat to the A flat for the F minor chord. Okay? So we have A flat, 3 C's, E flat, 3 C's. Now we're going down. F minor. F, A flat, C. Okay? One more time. A flat, E flat, 3 C's, 2. Go down, F minor, 3 C's again. Keep that F minor chord in the right hand and now add the D flat in, and then the 3 C's. And that's the whole pattern. A flat, 3 C's. E flat, 3 C's. Go down, F minor, 3 C's. And then keep that F minor with the D flat in the bottom. One more time. A flat, 3 C's. E flat, 3 C's. And then down to D flat. Okay. Now, if you want to make it a little fancier, we're going to add an octave in before we shift to every key, okay? Before we shift to every bass line, all right? So we have A flat with the 3 C's, and then the octave on the A flat, okay? So again, A flat chord, 3 C's, octave, octave, F minor, octave, D flat, major 7. Now let's add that going to the F minor chord. Let's add that into that. Okay, so we have A flat, octave, E flat, here comes the octave, D flat major 7, A flat, E flat, go down, F minor, octave, D flat major 7. Okay. Now during the chorus, she does change a little bit, and she does that A flat chord, except she plays every 8th note beat. Okay. There's 12 of those. Okay, and then she goes to E flat, and then she goes to F minor, and then D flat 7, A flat, E flat, F minor, D flat major 7. Sometimes she even arpeggiates, and that means she's taking the chord and separating it. Okay? The only difference is she starts by playing the chord, and then she goes 4 times through the chord, and then changes to the new chord. Okay? Change to the new chord. Change to the D flat. Same right hand. So A flat, C, E, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, C, E flat. Okay? All right, so that's an arpeggiation. Okay? There's one final thing that she does towards the last quarter of the song, and that is between the E flat and the F, she adds this E natural. Okay? So we have our normal A flat going to E flat, then she uses the E natural on the way to the F, and then D flat. Let's do that again, just the left hand. A flat, going to E flat, and then through the E natural to the F, and then down to the D flat. Okay? Let's put that together with the right hand. 3 C's, octave, E flat, 3 C's, here comes the E natural. One more time, A flat, E flat, give the passing tone to the E, F minor here, and then D flat major 7. And that is the 4 chords that make up the song Good Job by Alicia Keys. I hope you enjoy it.